Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a Toyota Supra on GTA V. Start by scouting common spawn areas like highways and beach districts, then plan a silent approach with a mask. Use a fast escape vehicle or tow truck to move the car to a mod shop. Drive to known spawn areas like Vespucci Beach, La Puerta Docks, or the highway for higher chance of finding sports cars. Bring a mask, a fast motorcycle for quick escape, and a tow truck or flatbed if you plan to transport the Supra. Approach calmly, disable alarms, and avoid police attention by using side streets and timing your actions during low traffic windows to reduce heat. Practice first. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and save you cash for car upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can budget for mods and pads. Thanks for staying tuned. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have the car, take it to Los Santos Customs or Benny's for customization and resale protection. Install engine upgrades, turbo, suspension, and visual kits to get the Supra silhouette and performance. If you want a permanent insured copy, call the mechanic after modding or use a duping glitch at your own risk. Always be mindful of server rules to avoid bans. Consider joining a crew for backup support during risky steals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.